guys, so I'm traveling to Taiwan with Win. First time traveling with him. We're taking a 6 AM flight, so it's like super early right now. It's around 4:50 and we're heading to our gate. We're going to go to Kaohsiung first, and then after that we're going to head to Taipei. So 4 days in Kaohsiung and 4 days in Taipei as well. JC is going to be joining us in the later part of the trip, so he's joining us halfway, and then he's also leaving earlier because he has like some work commitments and whatnot. So I'm looking forward to this trip. It's going to be in a place that I'm not familiar with because I've never been to Taiwan before. But I'm excited to see like the new stuff that I can get. Hopefully get some content for the vlogs as well. We're heading to like some temples and stuff like that. And then in the night we're gonna go to night markets, and I think it'll be quite exciting to see like what kind of food we can get there. Okay, we're going to Kaohsiung now.
However,
GoPro.
Okay, so we finally checked in our Airbnb. It is currently 3:30 PM. We reached at 10 AM, but then we were walking around trying to find the SIM card because I didn't buy it at the airport, right? I would advise everyone that comes to Kaohsiung, if you're looking for a SIM card, you better buy it at the airport, because if you're looking to find it around the city, right, it's amazingly difficult to actually try and find. I thought like I would actually be able to get it at a 7-Eleven or Family Mart, but nope, they didn't have it. So right now we're just going to unpack and just unload all the stuff that we don't want, and we're going to head to this lake area with all the temples so we can see, get some drone shots, hyperlapse, and then get out the Ronin and do some B-roll. Oh yeah, here's our Airbnb. It's pretty cheap. We got 2 beds. Quite a nice place. It's very simple. It's not super fancy or whatever, but yeah, it's what we need for just 3 nights, so it's okay. We are in a cafe right now because the weather isn't looking too good. So it's raining outside right now. So this area is actually quite, I would say it's very touristy, and there's actually quite a few temples around here where it's all surrounded by the lake, where you can actually go and shoot and take photos. And then Win and I was like, we were flying the drone, right, and we already like shot some videos and stuff with the Ronin, and then while I was flying the drone it started to rain, well, it started to drizzle, and then I was like, okay, I'm just going to continue flying, and then it started to really pour, so we quickly like landed the drone, and then we headed to find like a random cafe, and here we are now. We're definitely going to come back here another day because we did not complete all the other spots yet, so there's actually 2 more spots around the lake, and we're thinking of doing like night over here as well. So we're going to wait it out and see if the rain stops, and then after that do night, coming back here in the morning again on the 3rd day, so the day after tomorrow, because it's like super touristy, right, and there's like so many people around, so we're trying to come as early as we can in the morning, so hopefully there's not that many people, and then we can do like all our B-roll and like photos and stuff. Watching some videos to get some inspiration for the B-roll. So I was shooting like B-roll just now, and then I'm just thinking like what kind of shots I can get, and I'm looking forward to go back home and review the shot, and hopefully like we come up with something. Okay, so it's finally dinner time, and we actually came back to our Airbnb first to put down our stuff, and coincidentally or more conveniently, right outside our Airbnb is a night market. So I guess like every night if we have nothing to eat, we're just going to come down here and find something to eat. So we're going to go check out some of the food and let you know how it tastes. So we have got our spread right here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 items, and what are these?
this is mushroom,
Okay.
and this is something like popcorn chicken.
Oh shit!
And then this is the famous beef cube.
Oh, I'm excited to try.
And this is something quite
This is actually my favorite, man.
Yeah.
I like this one.
It's brown sugar fresh milk. Yeah, which recently is quite popular in Singapore, but yeah, I think it's originated from Taiwan, I think.
Yeah, I think most of the stuff from Singapore that blew up originated from Taiwan. Okay, let's dig in. thoughts?
It's very chewy. I mean, and then the outer layer
Okay, let me try.
is quite crispy also. I mean, it's a mix of different flavor like
The mushroom.
yeah.
Wow. It's very squishy. It's not like what I would expect from mushroom. However, it's quite salty though.
Yeah, you can try this.
I guess with most street food. Okay. Try it first.
Do you want to eat my mushroom?
Wow. Oh my god. The popcorn chicken is actually not as good as I expected it to be. It tastes like one of those where you can just go to the supermarket and buy and then just cook it yourself. But I guess Taiwan is quite famous for their fried chicken. But this store is just, I would say, like average. I've had better in Singapore. So we are...
夜市.
Right, 六合夜市. We're staying by one of the buildings over here, which is like just right in front of the night market. So it's very convenient. Maybe you need to try this.
Okay.
You can rate which one do you like most, like out of the three food items.
I've been to Taiwan. This is my 4th time in Taiwan, and this is the first time in Kaohsiung. And then I shall try their beef cube.
Alright.
What flavor do you order?
You didn't ask?
Huh?
Yeah, he didn't ask for what flavor I wanted. So apparently there's like a couple of flavors where you can choose from, but he didn't ask for any flavor. I guess like this is the original one. I kind of like it, this one.
It's not bad.
Yeah, out of the three, which one would you say is the best?
I still like the mushroom.
Yeah, actually I would say the mushroom myself.
More flavorish.
Yeah, and it's the more unique one out of the two. I've never had mushroom like this before. And it's just so squishy and like bouncy. Good stuff. Okay, so we're just gonna continue eating. We're gonna have early night tonight. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. But tomorrow is going to be an exciting day because we are trying to head like further outskirts of Kaohsiung, and then at night we're going to go back to the temples where we missed just now because it was raining.
We are going Guangshan.
Yeah, Guangshan. We're going to try and get some drone shots, hyperlapses, the usual stuff, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.